Finance shouldn't be one of the richest niches on YouTube. It's slow, it's dense, it's stressful, and most people avoid thinking about money until they absolutely have to. But if you've ever wondered why finance creators get paid more per view than almost anyone else on the platform, you clicked the right video. Most people think finance blew up because creators were teaching people how to get rich. But the truth is, finance didn't explode because it promised wealth. It exploded because people were scared. And when you look at how YouTube systems work, what advertisers pay for, what viewers search for, and what the algorithm rewards, the rise of finance becomes almost inevitable. Today, we're breaking this niche down into 4 layers: the emotional engine, the economic engine, the rise, and the evolution. Finance content didn't grow because it was exciting. It grew because the world got unstable. Inflation, layoffs, housing crises, debt, uncertainty. People weren't looking for entertainment. They were looking for control. When people feel lost, they search for answers. How to invest, how to survive a recession, how to fix my money. These are high-intent searches, the most valuable kind on YouTube. Fear creates attention. Attention creates retention. Retention creates trust. And trust is the most valuable currency on YouTube. But fear wasn't the only engine. There was a second force, and it's the one that made finance creators rich. Advertisers don't pay for views. They pay for intent. A gaming viewer might buy a $60 game. A finance viewer might open a brokerage account worth thousands. That's why advertisers pay 5 to 20 times more for finance content. This is the real reason finance became a kingdom, not because it was popular, but because it was profitable. But money alone doesn't build an empire. To understand the rise, you have to understand the moment. Finance didn't start as a niche. It started as a lifeline. Creators simplified investing, credit, real estate, budgeting, and side hustles. They made money feel possible. This turned finance into a movement, not just how to get rich, but how to survive. But every kingdom hits a wall, and finance hit theirs faster than anyone expected. When a niche becomes profitable, copycats arrive, fast. The niche got noisy. Retention dropped. Trust dropped. Viewers got skeptical. The algorithm got pickier. This forced the niche to evolve. Today, the winners are educators, analysts, storytellers, and realists. Finance didn't die. It matured. Finance didn't explode because it was flashy. It exploded because people were scared. Because advertisers follow intent. Because creators offered clarity in a chaotic world. When people feel lost, they search for someone who can explain the world. Every niche starts as a corner and eventually becomes an empire.